sa lahat na kailangan pong mag-submit po ang mga babae sa kanilang mga asawang lalaki.
Darating din ang araw na tayo'y tatanda. Bagal ang mga paa at mandalabo ang mata.
Commitment to comfort each other. They will comfort each other when problems arise. Commitment to honor each other. Hindi sila magbabastusan. You have a commitment to keep each other. And you have a commitment to be faithful to each other.
Darating din ang panahon na malalagas ang buhok. Balat ay kukulubot at makukuba ang likod. Hindi malilimutan ang pag-ibig ko sa'yo. Magpakailan darating din ang bukas.
May you have Candy to be your wedded wife, to live together in covenant of faith, hope, and love, according to the intention of God for your lives together in Christ Jesus.
Hindi malilimutan ang pag-ibig ko sa'yo. Magpakailan
Candy, will you have Ato to be your wedded husband, to live together in covenant of faith, hope, and love, according to the intention of God for your lives together in Christ Jesus?
Lagi tayong kontra sa maraming bagay. Marami tayong hindi pinag-agrihan na madaming bagay, but at the end of the day, mag-agree tayo pareho. Mabawa ko na at the end of the day, hit natin yung kanila.
Habang buhay kitang hihintayin. Habang buhay kitang mamahalin. Magpakailan
there will be a lot of struggles ahead of us, troubles, challenges. I am not perfect. I may not always understand you, but I promise that I will.
Ato and Candy have decided each other in marriage. I do proclaim that they are husband and wife in the sight of God and man. And what God has joined together, let no man put asunder, and let it be forever remain sacred.